Many of us have heard about high blood pressure, maybe over the radio, TV, at the neighborhood, maybe our relatives, some of our siblings have high blood pressure, and we simply call it pressure. I want to tell you that high blood pressure is dangerous. High blood pressure kills. We call it a silent killer because you can be okay in the evening, you have your supper, you even say prayer together with your family, but by morning you are gone, you are dead, or you have sustained a life-threatening damage and complication, which if you are to be treated in hospital will take a lot of your money, and you will also not be sure if you will regain the functionality like you had before. It's called a silent killer because you can live with a high blood pressure but still don't feel a single symptom. And that's why it's important for every one of us to at least once in a year go to a nearby health facility and get our blood pressures checked. High blood pressure is dangerous, but the good news is it's also preventable. There are things you can do to avoid it, but even when they tell you have it, there are things you can do and keep it under control and live on normally like any other person. Health Touch Uganda, follow the light.